See the script, Carrie. Finally, Jesse Lee.
The mortician thinks he needs a cloak and a hood and sneak attacks to be scary, to be a monster. Well, it's not really true. I scare people with the pain I inflict, with my mere presence. Vindication, the mortician's gonna see this, because I'll take that assault as an acceptance to my challenge. And he'll see that he doesn't need smoke and mirrors to scare people. I will cause him to lose all faith in anything that he thought he could do. He won't be a monster anymore. FPW only needs one monster.
My penis. I just want to say that the match of David Green against my brother Ryan, it means so much to me that you people probably don't have any idea how. Imagine, would you rather have David Green as executive producer or me? I'll give you a second to think about that. And if I become FPW executive producer again, when I lost the I Quit match, it devastated my entire family and my fans, or lack thereof. Words can't even describe how much that match means to me and how much I hope my brother wins. And Jesus. And that's all I've got to say about that. You gotta hold your pants.
Alright, you're supposed to film. Zook!
Yes.
What do you think you're doing? You should be ashamed of yourself. Do you know what you've caused? Right now, are you aware I could not only strip you of your title match at Vindication, I could fire you! Do you realize the fans were gonna lose? The world champion? You hit him with a hockey stick? What the hell is wrong with you?